Yeah, Storm 3 crashed it, and then we've put it together with a couple of zip ties. 2 zip ties that connect this side with super glue in the middle, and then you just grab a little bit of zip tie and connect it together. And then to even it out on the opposite side, 2 more zip ties. So we'll see how we go. Because heli power takes too long to get parts here to Australia. Let's see how we go.
Yeah, boy!
That's held together with super glue. Oh, she's got a bit of a lane.
Yeah, boy. There we go. Nice. Pretty good, I mean, for...
Yeah.
You got it, you got it. It's all good. It's all good, it's all good. You got it.
You get that?
Yeah.